Welcome to CarWow 787, where engines come to life and diesel power dominates the road. If you're passionate about diesel technology, trucking innovations, and the battle between top-tier machines, you're in the right place. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, ring the bell icon, and give us a thumbs up to keep up with the best in diesel power content. Today, we're diving into an in-depth comparison of the Navistar A26 diesel engine and the Kenworth T680 semi-truck. These two giants in the commercial trucking world represent different philosophies and engineering traditions. One brings European efficiency and lightweight design, while the other showcases American muscle, long-haul reliability, and driver comfort. So sit back, relax, and let's explore what makes these machines unique. The Navistar A26 diesel engine is designed with a focus on lightweight architecture, durability, and fuel efficiency. It's built off the MAN D26 engine platform but extensively modified for North American conditions. Featuring a compacted graphite iron block, the A26 cuts weight without sacrificing structural strength. This alone gives it a significant edge for fleets looking to maximize payload and fuel savings. The A26 has a displacement of 12.4 liters and delivers up to 515 horsepower and 1,850 pounds-ft of torque. Its high-efficiency fuel system, integrated EGR, and simplified emissions architecture are designed to minimize downtime and maintenance costs. This engine is optimized for fuel economy, often seeing improvements of up to 5% compared to previous models in real-world applications. And when paired with International's LT series, it makes for a balanced, smooth-operating powertrain setup. On the other side of the ring, we have the Kenworth T680, often referred to as the driver's truck. It's sleek, modern, and aerodynamically refined. It doesn't come standard with the Navistar A26. Rather, it is typically equipped with the Paccar MX-13 engine or the legendary Cummins X15. But for this comparison, let's imagine a scenario where the T680 is up against the A26-powered International LT series. The T680 represents Kenworth's commitment to driver comfort, performance, and technology. It features a wide cab with best-in-class ergonomics, advanced digital displays, and one of the quietest rides in the industry. Kenworth has put significant effort into improving aerodynamics with the T680 next-gen model. This includes redesigned side fairings, air dams, and a sloped hood, all contributing to improved fuel efficiency. While the T680 may not house the A26, it is often powered by the Paccar MX-13 engine, which delivers similar power figures up to 510 horsepower and 1,850 pounds-ft of torque. The real distinction lies in how the truck is built and what kind of application it's intended for. The T680 is engineered for long-haul applications with an emphasis on uptime, comfort, and data integration. Kenworth's TruckTech Plus system monitors engine health, reports issues proactively, and minimizes unscheduled downtime. Now let's talk real-world performance. When comparing the A26-powered LT against the T680 with Paccar or Cummins power, you'll find both have similar torque curves, with strong low-end torque to handle heavy loads and steep grades. The A26, however, is a featherweight. At just over 2,300 pounds, it's several hundred pounds lighter than many 15-liter competitors. That weight savings can translate directly into increased payload or improved fuel efficiency, depending on how the truck is spec'd. Maintenance is another crucial consideration for fleet owners. The A26 engine was designed for long service intervals and minimal touches. With fewer moving parts, fewer sensors, and simplified emissions systems, the A26 reduces the likelihood of engine-related downtime. Navistar claims B10 life of 1,200,000 miles, which means 90% of engines will hit that mileage without needing a major overhaul. Kenworth's T680, though, is known for its reliability, especially when powered by the Cummins X15. While the X15 is heavier and slightly more complex, it's a well-tested engine with a robust service network. Kenworth also provides advanced telematics and fleet diagnostics, which helps with proactive maintenance and repair scheduling. In terms of driver experience, there's a notable difference. The International LT with an A26 is quieter and lighter on the front end, which some drivers prefer for tight urban routes or lighter regional hauls. Meanwhile, the Kenworth T680 offers a more premium, upscale cab environment. It's ideal for drivers spending weeks at a time on the road. The high roof sleeper, digital dash, and customizable driving settings make it a favorite among owner-operators. Fuel economy tests show both platforms delivering strong results, with the A26 often edging out slightly due to its lighter weight and integrated design. Reports from fleets using the A26 say they're getting 7.5 to 8.5 mpg depending on route and load, which is impressive for a 12-liter engine. The T680 with a Packard engine competes closely, often reaching similar or better numbers when spec'd with adaptive cruise control and predictive shifting. When it comes to emissions and environmental performance, both engines are compliant with the latest EPA standards. The A26 uses a simpler after-treatment system that reduces DEF consumption and increases system reliability. Cummins and Packard engines have their own systems in place, and while they are slightly more complex, they benefit from extensive field testing and support. Another point worth considering is aftermarket support and dealer availability. Navistar has made significant improvements in parts availability and dealership support, but Kenworth and Cummins have a longer legacy and a broader support network across North America. For independent owner-operators or small fleets, this can make a significant difference. Now, let's think about resale and long-term investment. Historically, Kenworth trucks tend to hold their value well. Their reputation for quality, driver comfort, and residual value is strong. That said, the International LT with an A26 is gaining ground, especially with improved reliability stats and strong warranty offerings. Both setups also offer advanced safety features, like lane departure warning, automatic emergency braking, and adaptive cruise. These systems improve driver confidence and reduce risk, which is especially valuable in fleet operations. It's important to also consider what your needs are. Are you a fleet manager looking for the best total cost of ownership? Are you an owner-operator focused on comfort and reliability? The A26 offers lightweight design, solid fuel economy, and long life. The Kenworth T680 gives you a luxury driving experience, world-class ergonomics, and proven durability. Both powertrains are strong contenders, and much of the decision will depend on how you run your business. For local and regional hauls, the lighter A26 engine could provide significant savings over time. For long-haul routes and premium operator experience, the T680 offers features that are hard to beat. As we wrap up this deep dive, we'd love to hear from you. Which would you choose, the efficient, modern A26 or the proven power and comfort of the T680? Leave a comment below with your thoughts, experiences, or questions. If you enjoyed this breakdown and want more comparisons like this, don't forget to subscribe to your channel name, where we bring you the facts, figures, and real-world insights you need to stay ahead in the diesel world. Thanks for watching, and as always, keep your gears turning and your engines clean. We'll see you in the next video.